Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of modern automotive technology. Modern automotive technology is a comprehensive solution that will take your students from class to career. Correlated to all three levels of the latest ASE Education Foundation task lists. The text details the construction, operation, diagnosis, service, and repair of late-model automobiles and light trucks. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by Teachers for Teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Workbooks. Creative workbook activities inspire students to review and apply concepts. Interactive content. Additional interactive content, including flashcards, animations, and interactive activities, enhance the learning experience. Review questions can be completed and submitted to the instructor digitally. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full eBook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with modern automotive technology includes the digital textbook, workbook, shop manual, digital companion, and more. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Modern automotive technology is a comprehensive solution that will take your students from class to career. updated by new author Brian LaCroix. This edition features new pedagogy and hundreds of new photos, reflecting the latest advancements in automotive system technology and service. New chapters cover advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, automotive oils, coolants, lubricants, and chemicals, vehicle cleaning, detailing, controller area network systems, and EPA 609 certification. Many new chapters have been added to include topics such as advanced driver assistance systems, EPA Section 609, computer networks, hybrid electric vehicle safety, and much more. Textbook chapters have been reorganized into new sections that match the categories within the ASE Automobile and Light Truck Certification Test Series to aid in preparing for certification. End-of-chapter questions have been enhanced to include apply and analyze and critical thinking questions, in addition to know and understand and ASE-type questions. Concern, cause, correction features have been updated and expanded to offer students the opportunity to apply their vehicle systems theory and service knowledge in real-world diagnostic examples. Content has been updated throughout the textbook to ensure complete coverage of the latest ASE Education Foundation task lists and emphasize current technology and industry practices with an eye toward relevancy for a focused, up-to-date product that provides students with knowledge and skills needed for entry-level employment. Photos and illustrations have been updated throughout the textbook to show late model vehicles, current technology, and appropriate work/shop conditions, especially for hybrid or electric vehicles or advanced driver assistance system service. Correlated to all three levels of the latest ASE Education Foundation task lists, MLR, AST, and MAST, the text details the construction, operation, diagnosis, service, and repair of late-model automobiles and light trucks. The introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. Concern, cause, correction features reinforce the 3CS approach to vehicle diagnosis and repair by helping you develop critical thinking, diagnostic, and troubleshooting skills needed to service today's vehicles. Warnings identify repair operations that can result in personal injury if proper procedures or safety measures are not followed. Tech tips provide supplemental technical information and service hints related to the procedure or system being explained. Cautions identify situations that may cause damage to a vehicle, equipment, or tools if proper procedures are not followed. Service procedures are highlighted throughout the textbook to provide clear instructions for hands-on service activities. You can refer to these procedures easily. Green technology features highlight key items related to sustainability, energy efficiency, and environmental issues. Workplace skills features highlight the professional behaviors and traits that employers want, with a focus on the workplace employability skills emphasized by the ASE Education Foundation. Summary feature provides an additional review tool for you and reinforces key learning outcomes. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher order thinking, problem solving, and personal and workplace skills. ASE-type questions help students prepare for the types of questions encountered on the ASE certification tests. The workbook features a variety of questions in various formats that are organized by the textbook chapters to reinforce content and help students achieve key learning outcomes. The shop manual provides hands-on practice of 100% of the ASE Education Foundation task lists, MLR, AST, and MAST. Each job corresponds to one or more ASE Education Foundation tasks. This helps students develop the hands-on skills needed to succeed in the field and are intended to be completed in a shop setting under the guidance of an instructor. Digital assets include interactive drag-and-drop activities found in the digital companion, as well as a virtual toolbox used to help learners identify tools like a pro. In addition, multimeter simulations give students an opportunity to practice their troubleshooting skills and receive immediate feedback. Lastly, the ASE video library has been added to help visual learners and struggling readers clearly understand the content. The image library for modern automotive technology is a collection of nearly all of the textbook illustrations in electronic format. Instructors can insert individual illustration files into other applications to create customized presentations, handouts, worksheets, study guides, and assessments. Skilled technicians use a lot of tools, and learning to identify all of these tools can be challenging. By practicing with this virtual toolbox, which contains toolbox e-flashcards, you'll learn how to identify tools like a pro. The multimeter simulations contain 12 simulations that consist of 24 individual problems. They give students valuable experience performing voltage, amperage, and resistance measurements with a simulated multimeter. Students can practice installing the test leads in the correct meter jacks, selecting the proper meter function, preparing the circuit, and placing the test probes in the circuit without fear of damaging the meter. The ASE series video library contains 88 video clips. High-quality video footage and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. The digital companion includes a number of interactive activities, including drag-and-drop activities for additional practice of terms and concepts. Customers may also use Moto Visuals, which is a cloud-based library containing hundreds of service and repair animations that show how each part of the car works and what can happen when the part fails. Special thanks to Advance Auto Parts for providing these amazing assets. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators.